Hey there, fellow gamers. Ever found yourself curious about checking your ping and FPS in Fortnite on your PC? No worries, I've got your back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to easily keep an eye on your FPS and ping while navigating the Fortnite world on your computer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First things first, launch Fortnite on your computer. After that, check on the profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Next up, hit the settings icon. Now within the settings menu, click on Settings. While you're in the Display tab, scroll all the way down to the Advanced Graphics section. Then click on the arrow next to Show FPS to activate the FPS counter and ping display. Following that, click on Apply. Moving forward, restart the game for the changes to take effect. Once your game is up and running, and you find yourself in the lobby, you'll spot your FPS and ping displayed here, and only FPS in-game. Keep in mind, you won't be able to view this in-game while playing because Epic Games removed that feature on PC. And there you have it, folks. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.